Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it was done?
Хранить деньги в сберегательной кассе. Если, конечно, они у вас есть.
YouTube! What's up? So, welcome back. So, we're on our way to Klubsport Silang. So, if you guys remember Klubsport Silang, nung pumunta dito si 𝙈𝘼𝙍𝙬, Klubsport was one of the venues na nag-host. Tapos, dun pumunta si 𝙈𝘼𝙍𝙬. So, right now, on the way kami doon sa Klubsport Silang. Pero, yung pupuntahan natin na meet ngayon is special kasi tayo yung nag-organize ng meet. So we're the ones hosting this meet today. So this meet is a collaborative meet between my brand, Ever Since Street Club, and Manila Street Chronicles. So nag-collab kami ni Brian for this one. So if you guys remember Klubsport nung 𝙈𝘼𝙍𝙬 meet, so hindi pa siya tapos. So ngayon marami na siyang changes. So pakita ko na lang sa inyo later on kung ano na yung mga changes. Madami na nangyari, marami nang bago. Exciting tong meet na to today. Meron tayong merch release, live art, tsaka DJ sets. Ano mangyayari? May raffle din tayo later on. Set up rin kami, sama ko kayo sa setup namin, sama ko kayo sa meet, pakita ko sa inyo kung sino mga nandun. Yeah, see you on the meet. Hi guys, so we are here now sa Klubsport Silang. So yung Klubsport is located inside Clean Fuel. So you can see there, Clean Fuel, then Klubsport. Yeah, incubator, cafe, gallery, convenience store, tsaka pool lounge. Yeah, so tara, pasok tayo. So ngayon, start na yung meet. So may mga kotse dito. So we have here right off the bat kay 𝙎𝙏𝙍𝙬𝙀, Yaris niya. Then Bombit Gang, andun, nag-set up na sila. Yan, so yung mga early birds, ito, dito sila naka-park. So yung parking dito sa Clean Fuel is etong yung front part, tsaka meron din ditong part. So pag puno na dito guys sa loob, dito pwede kayo mag-park dyan. So tara, you know, CBR, ganda. This one, lowered na Veloster, accent, ganda. Big body ng Bombit Gang, color red. Tapos dito, mga lokal ng Laguna. Si 𝙎𝙼𝙍𝙍𝙀, yan. Lancer niya, box type, pogi. And then ito yung parang gitna ng Klubsports. Sa taas yung lounge, may burger spot doon. Then may nagla-live art sa taas. You can check natin yun mamaya, si 4 andun. Tapos incubator, di pa siya tapos pero malapit na rin yan. Gallery, and then conveni, punta tayo doon mamaya. Okay, dito naman Zodiacs, mga Zodiac boys. Then kay 4 si Ice. CJ, dito si CJ the photog. Hello ka naman, boss.
Hello po.
Ito. May sticker siya ng Banawi. Hindi na lang ako magsasalita. EG yan, ng All the Boys, kay Brian of Manila Street Chronicles. 86. Ayan. Ito pala si Brian. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, Monay?
Ito.
Yun. What's up, Monay? What's up,
A few
everybody?
words lang for Klubsport.
Well, welcome to Klubsport. So, Klubsport Collective is a collective of a coffee shop, which is one incubator cafe, which is not open yet, but eventually, mga next year, open na siya. Then we have the gallery. There you'll be seeing cars, artwork, parts, signed memorabilia coming from different brands in Japan. Meron tayong mga gamit dyan na mga galing spoon. Shoutout kay Boss Alfie na mga pinamado nila Ichisimasan. Stuff that you would only get in Japan na mga manibela na, for example, yan, Watanabe Wheels too also is here. Then right now we also have another steering wheel din na yung sa collab nga din pala natin. Yan, meron dyan ngayon. Ilang piraso lang yun. 10 piraso din yun besides the signed memorabilia that we have from sina Orido, from the guys at Spoon.
Ito may Beetle, Lady Driven, Powder Blue, ganda. So andito sila Alex din, si Ed, Justin. Birthday boy. Happy birthday. Ayan, si Ed. Justin.
Congrats sa collab meets.
Idol ko to.
Idol po na.
Ay, idol ko to.
Hindi,
Idol po namin yan.
Idol daw nila. Sila ang idol ko. So, check natin yung mga cars dito. Tara. So, Jimny. Yan. This one, ito, Celica. Ito kay Bri of Manila Street Chronicles, Yaris, Rally Spec. Ito kay Daniel. Yan, check natin dito. Meron pa dito mga Miata. Ito kay Alex, dala niya today. Tapos may Miata na luma. So, old and new. 86. Tara. Dino and 𝙎𝙏𝙍𝙀𝙀𝙁 styling. What can you say about Klubsport?
It's very relaxing.
Very chill.
Very chill.
Yan. What can you say about Klubsport?
Very chill nga. And the weather, temperature is nice din.
Yeah, thank you. Ito kay Dino. Yan. Oliver. Yan. Then yung Combini. Yun. Yung nanalo pala ng treasure hunt natin, si Dino. Ayan. Nakuha niya yung Hot Wheels. Yan. So, check naman natin yung Combini ng Klubsport. Ito. So, they have here mga, of course, Japanese products. Everything's Japanese. Imported. Yan, mga cup noodles, Kit Kats, chips, even coffee. May Boss Coffee ba sila? Walang Boss Coffee, but they have Japanese coffees. Like this one, yung Fire One Day Black, UCC. Ito, masarap yan. And then mga Japanese na soft drinks. CC Lemon. Then Suntory Highball. So everything's Japanese. Ito may mga ice cream din pala sila. Japanese. So guys, we have here the gallery. So ito yung gallery ng Klubsport. From time to time, they change the setup here. So right now, we have here Brian's AE86. And then we have also at the back is Brian's E30 na wagon. So check natin yung naka-display nating merch. So hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa gallery. Ito yung mga items natin na for sale. So we have here the collaborative steering wheel. So engraved dyan yung logo natin ever since. Tsaka yung horn button niya, Manila Street Chronicles. And then numbered siya. Kita ba? Sorry, bakit ng tape. So this one is 8 out of 10. 10 pieces lang yung ni-release namin ganito. Then we have here also plate frame. Collab din siya. 20 pieces lang din to. Konti lang din. So check natin yung shirt. So we have here the shirt. We have the 86 design. So this one. Ito yung harap, ito yung likod. So A86 N2 challenge. So ito, Japanese siya for ganpate. Do your best. Yan. Then the other one here is the triangle style namin na parang logo mash-up namin ni Brian. So Manila Street Chronicles and Ever Since Street Club. This one is 50 pieces only. The other one also is 50 pieces lang din. Akit tayo guys. So we have here mga photos. I think these ones are the finalists nung mga sumali sa Neo Classic Photo Challenge. Yan. Ito kay Jason. Alam ko nanalo ata to. Yan, local media. Yan, iba-ibang mga photos. So, dito tayo sa roof deck. So, dito si Quattro. The live art. Quattro, ano masasabi mo sa Klubsport?
Solid.
Malamig.
Malamig, saka full experience.
Yes. Thank you.
Full JDM experience.
Thank you. Vlog yan. Yan, si Quattro. Artist natin for today. Thank you. Yan si Carilo. Tatago. Yan. So, ito yung situation sa taas. Then, dito yung parang lounge area. So, you can buy burgers at the back. Meron doon nag-grill. Tapos dito, pwede kayo kumain dito. Tambay dito. So, we have here at the back of yung pinagpipaintan ni Quattro, we have here the grill. Ito yung nag-grill sila ng burgers, sausages. Justin ulit nandito. Ayan. Tapos yung view dito, di nakita sayang. So, we have here a dirt track for motorcycles pero hindi na siya masyado kita today kasi gabi na. Dito tayo ngayon sa Podok Pool Lounge. So they have 2 pool tables here. Pwede kayo maglaro dito. It's $250 per hour. Yan, may mga players na tayo today. Yan, lalaro sila. Tapos meron dito rin lounge area. Ito type ko itong upuan ni Bray. Ganda. Very mid-century modern. Ganda. Guys, I just wanna show you my fit. So, I really like my fit right now. So, very Toyota boy. So, we have here the Toyota sweater, then pants from Hysteria. Shout out to Nas. So, local made to. So, initial D yan. And initial D, then shoes, Nike Lahar, Marketplace. Then cap, syempre, sa akin, ever since, Hunay's yan. So, I just realized di pa pala ako nakapag-outro for this video. So, this has been the Ever Since X Manila Street Chronicles. Meet at Klubsport Silang. If you love what you see, you can like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And ring mo na din yung bell. I think dito or dito ata. So, ding ding ding. Ring mo na yan. And then, if you want to support our channel, you can buy our merch at www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget that dash, baka kung saan kayo mapunta. And then if umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, you can comment down, Conbini. So alam ko talaga nanood kayo ng video from start to finish. Yun lang.